Who doesn't love eggs? This week I'm going to show you 11 different Chinese ways of cooking eggs. If you've only heard about Chinese tea eggs, then you'll need to watch this episode. Before we get started on cooking, I don't want to waste these beautiful eggshells before I crack them, so I did some painting. This blue cutie pie is my favorite Japanese cartoon character, Doraemon. Now let's start cooking. The first egg dish is scrambled eggs in a fantastic sauce. Yeah, I made this sauce name up. We got 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, chili powder to taste, and 1 teaspoon starch, then mix it well. I'm cooking 3 eggs today. Scramble the eggs into bigger pieces, then add in this fantastic sauce. Keep scrambling until the sauce becomes thicker because we have starch in it. Sprinkle some green onions at the top after turning off the stove. Now we have our first egg dish. It's quick, simple, and delicious. The second dish is poached eggs in soy sauce soup. After the water is boiled, turn the stove to low and add 2 eggs. Cook for about 5 minutes based on how soft you want the yolk to be. In a bowl, pour some boiled water, add 2 tablespoons soy sauce, half teaspoon white pepper powder, salt, and green onions to taste. Transfer the eggs to the bowl. Then I had a bite. There you go! The third one is tiger skin eggs. I boiled 4 eggs. After they cool down, take the shells off. I get 4 slices on both sides of the eggs so the sauce can get into the eggs. When the pan is hot, throw in the eggs. Well, my pan is a little bit too hot. Let them roll until the surface turned into tiger skin-like, which has burned the black spots on them. Add some ginger, green onions, dried red pepper, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cooking wine, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, and some leftover beer. Boil until not too much sauce left. Put some sesame and it's done. The fourth egg dish is my childhood favorite, steamed eggs. Beat 2 eggs until foam shows up. Add salt and water. If you want, strain the eggs with a strainer so the texture is more even. Now put the bowl in a steamer, cover it with a sauce plate. Use very low heat the whole time. Steam for 10 minutes. After it's cooked, I slice the eggs and add soy sauce. Now you can see the interesting pattern. Don't forget sesame oil, that's the essence. Also green onions as always. I just like how bouncy it is. Next, we have sweet and sour fried eggs. Mix 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon ketchup, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon starch, and 1/4 cup of water. Set the sauce aside. Now I'm going to fry 3 eggs. Fry the eggs until both sides are golden and crispy. When they are done, take them out for a moment. Add 2 teaspoons diced garlic to the pan first. add homemade sauce. Stir until the sauce gets thick. Now put back eggs and make sure both sides are covered with sauce. Sesame at the end, and of course, green onion. This is one of my favorites. Number 6. Classic tea eggs. Start cooking 6 eggs in cold water. Give 2 star anise, 1 bay leaf, 1 piece cinnamon, 2 red tea bags. Boil the water for about 10 minutes. Take each out and crack it evenly with a spoon. Add the broth back, but throw away the tea bags. Add 25 grams soy sauce and 9 grams salt. Leave in the fridge for a night, then they will get these marble-like patterns. I used to have this at every single breakfast when I was a student. The 7th dish is, you won't believe this, crab eggs. For 3 eggs, I mixed 4 teaspoons finely diced ginger, 2 teaspoons green onions, and 2 teaspoons garlic. Add 3 tablespoons rice vinegar, half teaspoon white pepper, and 1 teaspoon starch. Throw 4 eggs in a pan, but don't stir yet. We want the egg white and the yolk separate. Then stir like crazy when egg white becomes kind of solid. Now add the crab sauce in and keep stirring. Then here are crab eggs. The color resembles the 2 parts of the crab, and the ginger and vinegar bring out the crab taste. Now lucky number 8, egg skin noodles. Start with cracking 3 eggs. Two tablespoons starch and a little bit water. We need some thick starch paste. Beat eggs with starch. On medium heat, add some egg liquid to the pan, make it even, and pour out the extra. Flip it when one side is done. Now we got these egg skins. Roll it up and then cut into pieces. We don't need to boil them too long since they are already cooked. Add 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, half teaspoon white pepper, and some salt. And transfer them into a bowl. Don't forget our old friend green onions, also some chili oil. The next one is egg drop soup, but probably not what you see in the restaurant. Prepare some starch water. Add Add some salt into the boiling water and starch as well. On very low heat, stir gently while pouring eggs. Turning the stove off as soon as you are done pouring the eggs. Green onions, of course. Now it's almost done. We just need a little bit of sesame oil. The last two are marinated egg whites and salty egg yolks. Brush some oil on all sides of a glass bowl. Crack 4 eggs. Then prep 160 gram flour mixed with 30 gram salt. Put half of the flour in a bowl. I'm trying hard to make it even. Use a whole egg to make 4 spots for egg yolks. Scoop each egg yolk and slide them in the spot. Cover the top with the rest of the flour and let it sit on the counter for 2 days. Now the egg white. Steam it for 15 minutes and let it cool down. Meanwhile, let's make some marinating sauce. Boiling water, add ginger, bay leaves, cinnamon, good amount of soy sauce, and salt. When the egg white is cool, cut them into the shape you like. Merge with the sauce and put it in the fridge for a day. Now I'm making an egg white tower here. Before eating, we need more sauce. Garlic and green onions with hot oil. Add soy sauce, vinegar, chili oil. Pour from the top. Add cilantro at the end. This is a good side dish. After 2 days, the salty yolks are ready. Take them out of the flour and wash the surface. Then we got these beautiful, shining, solid egg yolks. They can be eaten directly, but can be used to add into tons of other dishes, such as fried rice. I got so many eggshells this week, I'm going to make a cute plant collection. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.